everyone. Welcome back to the Lingo Listen. I'm Emma, and we're really excited you decided to spend some time learning natural, real-life English with us today.
Hey everyone, I'm Sam, and today we are talking about something that feels small in the moment, but somehow stays in your brain forever.
Oh, wow. Very dramatic beginning.
Honest beginning.
Today, we are talking about accidentally saying something embarrassing.
Oh no, immediate memories already.
Very immediate memories.
Because somehow, embarrassing moments never disappear.
Very true, especially at night.
Oh wow, nighttime remembering.
Dangerous time.
Very dangerous time. Because suddenly, your brain says, hey, remember that embarrassing thing from 3 years ago?
Very rude brain behavior.
Very rude.
Today, we are talking about embarrassing moments in English.
Real English for real life.
Because sometimes learning English is not only about grammar. Sometimes you just want to survive awkward conversations.
Very important goal.
Very important.
Before we begin, if you enjoy learning English through natural conversations,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Lingo Listen.
okay, Emma, let's imagine something. You are talking to someone.
Normal conversation.
Everything feels fine.
Very comfortable.
Then suddenly, your mouth says something strange.
Oh no, dangerous sentence moment.
Very dangerous.
Because sometimes your brain and your mouth stop working together.
Very true. Honest question, why do people suddenly forget how to talk?
Honestly, very good question. Especially nervous.
Very nervous.
Or tired.
Or distracted.
Then suddenly, wrong words arrive.
Immediate regret.
Very immediate regret.
Then maybe say, that came out wrong.
Useful sentence, everyone. That came out wrong.
Repeat after us. That came out wrong.
Nice natural English.
Or maybe, I didn't mean that.
Useful sentence, everyone. I didn't mean that.
Repeat after us. I didn't mean that.
Very useful real-life English.
Emma, question time.
Okay.
Most embarrassing speaking moment.
Easy. Calling a teacher mom.
Wait, really?
Sadly, yes.
Oh wow. Emotional damage.
Very emotional damage.
What happened?
Honestly, silence happened.
Dangerous silence?
Very dangerous silence.
Honest question, why does silence suddenly feel so loud during embarrassing moments?
Very good question. Somehow 5 seconds feels like 5 years.
Very true.
Then maybe somebody says something awkward by accident.
Maybe wrong name.
Oh no, dangerous already.
Maybe wrong joke.
More dangerous.
Maybe misunderstanding.
Biggest danger.
Then suddenly, everybody gets quiet.
I'm kind of shy about making mistakes. Sometimes I just get too nervous.
Very panic moment.
Then maybe say politely, sorry, that sounded wrong.
Youthful sentence, everyone. Sorry, that sounded wrong.
Repeat after us. Sorry, that sounded wrong.
Or maybe, that was embarrassing.
Useful sentence, everyone. That was embarrassing.
Repeat after us. That was embarrassing.
Very useful natural English.
Emma, be honest. Have you ever said something embarrassing by accident?
Wait, why are we talking about my secrets in N?
So that means yes.
Sadly, yes.
Oh wow. What happened?
One time, somebody said, enjoy your meal.
Okay, sounds normal.
And somehow, I said, you too.
Oh no. Classic embarrassing moment.
Very classic.
Then what happened?
Immediate regret.
Dangerous regret?
Very dangerous regret.
Honest question, why does the brain replay embarrassing moments forever?
Honestly, very unfair behavior again.
Very unfair.
Because somehow, happy memories disappear quickly.
But embarrassing moments?
Permanent memory.
Very permanent memory.
Then maybe you start overthinking later.
Dangerous nighttime thinking again.
Suddenly asking yourself, why did I say that?
Or maybe, why am I like this?
Very dramatic thoughts.
Honest thoughts.
Then maybe say, I can't believe I said that.
Useful sentence, everyone. I can't believe I said that.
Repeat after us. I can't believe I said that.
Very useful English.
But honestly, embarrassing moments happen to everyone.
Very true. even confident people,
Even funny people.
even smart people.
Very true.
Then maybe,
Yes. Awkward moments somehow stay in the brain forever.
forever.
Very forever.
Because somehow, even years later, your brain suddenly remembers at the worst possible time.
Usually at night.
Always at night.
Very suspicious timing.
Very suspicious.
Honest question. Why does the brain suddenly become dramatic after midnight?
Honestly, very good question. Suddenly, your brain becomes a movie director.
Oh, wow. Very dramatic movie.
Very dramatic. Starring your embarrassing memories.
Sounds stressful already.
Very stressful.
Then maybe you accidentally say something awkward again.
Dangerous moment.
Very dangerous moment.
Maybe somebody says, "How are you?"
Normal question.
Very normal question.
But suddenly, your brain stops working.
Oh no. Empty brain moment.
Then somehow, you answer something strange.
Honest question. Why do people forget how to talk during simple moments?
Honestly, very good question. Especially when nervous
Or distracted?
or tired.
Then suddenly, wrong sentence arrives.
Immediate regret arrives too.
Very immediate regret.
Then maybe you say politely, I didn't mean that.
Youthful sentence, everyone. I didn't mean that.
Repeat after us. I didn't mean that.
Or maybe that came out wrong.
Useful sentence, everyone. That came out wrong.
Repeat after us. That came out wrong.
Very useful natural English.
Emma, question time.
Okay,
Most awkward accidental sentence.
easy. Calling somebody by the wrong name.
Oh, wow. Dangerous already.
Very dangerous.
Especially if you know them well.
Very true.
Then suddenly, everything becomes awkward.
Especially if there is silence.
Honest question. Why does awkward silence feel so powerful?
Honestly, very good question. Somehow, 5 seconds feels like 5 hours.
Very true.
Then maybe somebody looks confused.
Oh no, face reading panic.
Very face-reading panic.
Because suddenly, you start asking yourself, did I say something wrong?
Then maybe you start talking too much.
Dangerous behavior.
Very dangerous behavior.
Because somehow, people try fixing awkward moments by making them more awkward.
Very real behavior.
Honest answer? I have done this many times.
Oh, wow. Story time?
Sadly, yes.
What happened?
One time, somebody introduced themselves.
Okay, sounds normal.
Then somehow, I immediately forgot their name.
Oh no, dangerous beginning already.
Very dangerous. Then suddenly, 5 minutes later, I accidentally called them the wrong name.
Wait, completely wrong name?
Very completely wrong.
What happened?
Silence.
Dangerous silence?
Extremely dangerous silence.
Then what did you do?
Panicked.
Honest answer.
Then I started explaining too much.
Oh no, over-explaining moment.
Very over-explaining. I said, no, I know your name. I'm just tired. Actually, I forget everybody's name.
Somehow that became worse.
Much worse.
Honest question. Why do people suddenly become comedians during awkward moments?
Honestly, very good question. Because somehow the brain thinks maybe jokes will save us.
Do jokes save people?
Sometimes not.
Very honest answer.
Then maybe somebody notices you feel embarrassed.
Best kind people.
Very best kind people.
Then maybe they say, it's okay, don't worry.
Youthful sentence, everyone. It's okay, don't worry.
Repeat after us. It's okay, don't worry.
Very useful real-life English.
Or maybe you say, that was embarrassing.
Useful sentence, everyone. That was embarrassing.
Repeat after us. That was embarrassing.
Nice, natural English.
Emma question.
Okay,
Best embarrassing moment advice.
easy. Laugh a little. Stay calm. And remember, everybody says awkward things sometimes.
Very good advice.
Thank you.
Because honestly, embarrassing moments happen to everyone.
Very true. Nobody's perfect.
And most people forget quickly.
Except your brain.
Very true.
But simple English helps.
Very true. You do not need perfect English.
Short sentences work.
Like, that came out wrong.
I didn't mean that.
That was embarrassing.
I can't believe I said that.
What should I say now?
It's okay, don't worry.
Real English. Real life.
Confidence grows slowly.
One conversation at a time.
One small sentence at a time.
Even awkward moments help.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today, everyone.
We hope this conversation helped your English feel easier and more natural.
And maybe made embarrassing moments feel a little less scary.
If you enjoyed learning with us,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Lingo Listen.
we will see you again soon.
Bye, everyone.